Hi guys, Kevin here and welcome to a new channel. So this is my new channel. If you haven't been following on Twitter or anything, I lost my channel on Sunday, so my main YouTube channel, and I appealed it, came back within the same day that it was rejected. Again, I'm not expecting much, but I did go through the Twitter process and send a tweet to YouTube, Team YouTube, etc. So they are looking into it. But since then, I've started this new channel, and I just want to thank you guys for so much support. So especially Lee TV, Free Tech, Streamin' Tech Now, Tech Doctor UK, Doc Squiffy, Troy Point, and then so many supporters like Scotty, Tasha C, I won't give the last names, Bill C, M, Harold, Mark A, Frederick, Tim W, Robert, Frank G, FP Murray. I'm sure I'm going to forget so many and I can't thank you all unfortunately, but thank you all so much for the support. I was probably just going to hang in the towel at that point. I had actually about five strikes on my main channel. For some reason it was still going. I couldn't upload for a long time, but YouTube said because I was on probation, they weren't going to take away the channel, but then I got another strike and then suddenly it was gone. So kind of a strange process. I don't know the black and white of it. A lot of the videos that I was covering was more for movie, TV show, sports. Those are the ones that got hit. I took 160 plus down at one time, quite some time ago. And then I took some more down, and I just didn't know at what point I should take them all down, or it's so hard to know now with the guidelines and it's not black and white. A lot of people like Doc, Free Tech, Lee, they're all getting strikes for no reason, even on legal apps or proper videos, so there's no rhyme or reason. Obviously the system is somewhat broken, but here I am, new channel. Thanks so much for the support, and I got my 4K subscribers almost right away thanks to you guys, so really appreciate that from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. And thanks especially for Lee for making me keep going, gave me the idea and kind of sparked it to start a channel. So thanks Lee, thanks to all you guys. You guys are all awesome, and if you're not following any of these guys, or all of them, you really should be. They're awesome guys. So I'll have links down below for all of their channels. So if you're missing one or two or three of them, definitely follow them all. They're all great guys, great supporters, and great for the community. So thanks so much. And to all you guys that watch, thanks so much from the bottom of my heart again. You can't make it on this platform without you, so you're the reason that we're here, we're doing this. I just love helping people. I've always just kind of started from day one just to help people cut the cord. So I don't know what I can really do going forward on this new channel, but I will try to give some news, try to cover some things as far as tech reviews, but also on Rumble will be my main one for just having uncensored app videos, which is my passion. So unfortunately I can't keep that going here. For obvious reasons, I'm just going to lose my channel again. But on Rumble, I will definitely have a lot more APKs that I'm going to cover. Not sure if I can say that even now, but a lot of apps that I'll cover, and they'll be uncensored. So hopefully that'll stick around on that platform. I don't know if that's going to change. But so far, it's not nearly as strict as this one here. So this one, you can really cover some news, some tech, sprinkle in some legal apps probably. But we'll try to find a nice fine line of where it's interesting, maybe some humor. We'll see where it goes. So right now, starting fresh. Just want to say thanks so much. Thanks for the support and the continued support. It's all to you guys that I'm here. And thanks to my other YouTuber creator friends. Thanks to you guys. Thanks so much to everyone. Thanks. That's all I can really say. But I'm back. But otherwise, you can check out my Rumble, my Odyssey. A lot of my old videos from YouTube are on Odyssey. So if you are looking for something, hey, I watched that a while back, I'd love to see it again. I'll give all the links below for my other platforms, for Rumble, for Odyssey, and stay tuned there as well for more coverage, especially Rumble. Hopefully be back better than ever. Thanks to you guys. Take care. See you in the next video.